I'm Shabir Shafqat, Chairman National Christian Party, Pakistan. I would like to inform you that you've seen that all Jड़انوالah's beasts, those who attacked on the Christian areas, churches and the graveyards, judges releasing those people. Why? Because you know that they want to give strength so they can attack another areas. Instead of Yahunabad 5-6 years ago, when there was two blasts in churches and many Christians was dead in that incident, and Christians became aggressive and they started demonstration, and some area they disturbed and police arrested them brutally and they sought high third degree torture them, and some people became paralyzed and some are dead. They can't tolerate the tortures. After 5 years they get the deals and then they have the release. But these Jड़anwala's people, in 1 month they got the release order. Why? This is a big discrimination, because judges are not Christians, police are not Christian, and IG Punjab is such a cruel person. From the first beginning day, he started giving statement against to the Christians and trying to save the attackers. This is a big discrimination. How we can get the justice when the FIR is not properly lodged? FIR is so weak and they give protection to those attackers. If they arrested, they can get the bail or they can be released very soon. So I request my all peoples who are abroad, please put the pressure on the government. Every month or every week, go in the Pakistan embassies, in front of the Pakistan embassies, or go to the UNO's office and tell them that what injustice we faced in Jड़anwala incident. Everything is clear. Everything is clear. Nothing is hidden. Then why they did not get the punishment? Why the judge released them? Because police and judge trying from the first day that they do not arrest anyone. If they arrest, then they said we have to release them. So please, I tell my people, please boycott this election. If you can stand personally, then fight election. But don't get to solve, or you can take the ticket from these parties. You take fight with only, and fight people will help you. But don't give any vote to these parties, because these parties did not help in Jड़anwala's incident. They did not stand with us. So please, you if you want to fight election, fight, but don't take their tickets. Do not take help from them. Do not give any, request all Christians, do not give any vote to these parties. Only give vote to Christian candidate if he will stand. God bless you.